Just 4 days after the Air India plane crash in Ahmedabad, 112 pilots suddenly went on sick leave. Yes, you heard it right. More than 100 pilots called in sick, saying they were unwell. This information was shared in Parliament by Minister of State for Civil Aviation, Muralidhar Mohool. He also confirmed that after the tragic AI-171 crash, the number of sick leaves from flight crew, especially pilots, suddenly increased. According to a report, this issue was raised in Parliament by BJP MP Jaiprakash. In reply, the minister said that on 16 June, exactly 112 pilots took sick leave. Out of these, 51 were senior commanders and 61 were first officers. Now the question is, was this just a coincidence or a sign of deeper stress in the aviation industry? The Aviation Ministry currently has no fixed policy for compensation when civilians are harmed due to an air crash. But what's more important is the mental state of those who fly these planes. After the accident, the DGCA issued a medical circular asking airlines to focus on the mental health of pilots, crew members, and air traffic controllers. Airlines were told to run proper training programs to reduce mental pressure. The government also asked operators and aviation bodies to create support systems so staff can speak up and get help if needed. Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu told Parliament that mental health is a major part of aviation safety. Airlines have been directed to raise awareness and help staff manage stress and take timely help. In case you forgot, the AI-171 crash happened on June 12. The plane, a Boeing Dreamliner, crashed just minutes after takeoff from Ahmedabad to London. Out of 242 passengers, only one survived. Early reports say the engine's fuel switch went off just 1 second after takeoff, stopping fuel supply. But it is still unclear how or why it happened. This case has shaken India's aviation industry to its core. More updates will unfold soon.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.